Another great day of play
Peppa
date.
is playing with her doll's house. George is playing too.
Make you. What should we do
Peppa is
today?
making a tea party for the doll family.
Here, George. I'm the mummy and daddy. You can be the children.
I see.
Children, it's nearly tea time. So
time.
you must wash your hands.
Wash your hands.
George is putting the dolls to bed.
Night. George, why are you putting the children to bed? They're having a tea party.
George likes putting the dolls to bed.
I like playing them.
Children, come downstairs right now,
How
or
about
you won't get any cake.
George isn't listening. He's too busy putting the dolls to bed.
I see.
George, if you want to play with my doll's house, you have to help with the tea party.
I see.
Here, George, you can fill the teapot with water. Children, come downstairs right now.
How'd you do this?
Mommy, we're coming.
George is going to fill the teapot with water.
Ooh, a spider.
George has found a spider in the sink. George wants the spider to be his friend.
Oh.
Yeah.
George likes the spider. The spider likes George.
I like the spider.
Tea parties.
Make sure Kiwi won't know.
Chocolate biscuits, Daddy. We had lots yesterday. Oh, I'm sorry, Mummy. I must have eaten them all.
Yes?
Oh. Naughty,
Okay.
Daddy.
George is putting the spider to bed.
Night.
Meg
George,
McCube, what are you doing? Help me with the tea party.
Daddy, there's a spider in my bedroom.
Oh, don't worry, Peppa.
There's a spider in my bed. Just take it away.
No need to panic. Hello, George. Have you seen the spider?
You think this is funny, Meg McCube? You are trying to scare me with a spider?
There's no need to be afraid,
Yes.
Peppa. Spiders are very, very small, and they can't hurt you. But don't worry. Daddy will take it out of the bedroom. Whoa! He's quite big, isn't he? I'll just fetch Mummy Pig. Mummy Pig!
Hello, Mr. Skinnylegs.
Mr.
Peppa
Skinny.
feels a little bit braver.
He likes being in my doll's house.
You like being in my dog.
I hear you found a little spider. I'll take him out of the bedroom so you two can play.
This is Mr. Skinnylegs.
His name is Mr. Skinnylegs.
Mr. Skinnylegs is big, isn't he?
You think?
Peppa and George like the spider.
I like the spider already.
Night.
George is putting the spider
Oh
to
no,
bed.
you don't, Kiwi.
George,
I mean, Meg
he
McCube.
wants some tea.
You want some
He
tea?
doesn't want to be in bed.
I see.
Are you hungry, Mr. Skinnylegs? Would you like some cake?
Peppa isn't afraid of the spider anymore.
Mummy, Daddy, sit down. We are all going to have tea with Mr. Skinnylegs. Who wants tea?
Me, please.
Me, please.
I do.
Delicious.
Peppa loves playing tea parties.
This is
Here's your
awesome.
tea, Mr. Skinnylegs. What's that? You want to say hello to my daddy? Hello, Mr.
Hello.
Daddy Pig.
Hey, that's all right, Peppa. Let Mr. Skinnylegs drink his tea.
You're
You're
not
scared of him, are you?
Oh, no. Of course not. Well, not so close. Whoa!